Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio baklava at home. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 pound of fresh phyllo dough, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and about 2 cups of finely ground pistachios. Also, prepare a simple syrup using 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a splash of lemon juice or rose water. Having everything at room temperature is key for a smooth process. Now, let's assemble our baklava. Start by brushing each individual phyllo sheet with melted unsalted butter. Place about 10 buttered sheets into your baking pan, then evenly spread 1/3 of your ground pistachios. Repeat this layering of 10 phyllo sheets and pistachios 2 or 3 more times. Finally, top with at least 10 more buttered phyllo sheets for a beautiful finish. Before baking, carefully score your baklava into desired diamond or square shapes. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 hour, or until golden brown and crispy. Immediately after removing it from the oven, pour your cooled simple syrup over the hot baklava. This temperature difference is crucial for absorption. To complete your delicious baklava, garnish with a sprinkle of extra, chopped pistachios for a beautiful presentation and added crunch. It is essential to let the baklava rest for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, allowing the syrup to fully soak in and the flavors to meld. Serve this delightful treat at room temperature for the most enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.